I just want to update everybody. The last two and a half days I've been pulling windblown trees out of the woods, mostly out of the pass. We had them high winds over for 2 days. This is just a little fraction of it. I still haven't got all the way back in the bottom of the pass, but some ash, maple, one cherry. So the old wood splitter is going to be busy. Most of it's green. There's probably a couple ash in there that's, if I get it bucked up and split, it'll dry pretty fast. Pretty low on inventory. Just got a rick of oak and cherry. It was a beautiful day. About 9 degrees. I'll talk to everybody later.